Woo-wee! It's been a crazy Friday over here at Wheel Collectors, guys. We have received several pallets of things, and one of those things is Retro Entertainment P case. This case right here, we've been wanting for a while. Retro has really started making super quality stuff again, and it's getting hotter. 2 years ago or so, it just kind of, cooled off. And, lately this year, they're making it look like car culture. So, they've redone the bubbles. I'll show you that. Let's crack it open. Here goes Retro P. As always, we'll do a little top-down view of it. Oh, yeah. I can see a mystery machine looking straight at me and a yellow submarine. Okay, so we'll go by this like we normally do. We'll go 2 by 2. It's got 10 pieces in the case. And you know what? It's evenly packed this time. So we'll have 2 sets. Boom. The very first car out of the case is the Beatles Yellow Submarine. Now, this is straight off of, I don't know if you've ever seen it before, but they made basically a cartoon music video. I think it came out in like '68. But gotta love the Beatles. And the card back is sick. Super colorful card back. It looked like all the card backs of this particular series or this particular case are very strong. The next car in the case is 2 per case, of course, is the Toy Story, the Disney Pixar Toy Story RC car. Now this one we've actually gotten, I don't know, a dozen or so people asking when we were going to get the Toy Story car in. Well, we've got it in now, guys. Check that out. Super cool. The next 2 cars in the case, right there, are the Forza Motorsport Ford Raptor. 2017 Ford F-150 Raptor. It's got some kind of light gray, really cool looking reptilian scales looking to it. That's a sick Raptor. If you guys are into Raptors, you're going to have to check that one out. Raptors are the bad to the bone F-150s. Special model, hard to get, special order, all that. Actually got a buddy down the street that got one. Got it in red. Okay. The next 2 cars are the super popular Punisher van. Now what's interesting about this Punisher van is it's got different colors on it than the other version of the Punisher van. This one's kind of like a metallic blue. I don't know if you guys remember the Garage Series Dodge A100, but that's the blue that it looks like to me. It's got the crazy grille on the front. It's got the big fat tires on the back. That's a pretty sick model, guys. And the last car in the case is everybody's favorite Scooby Doo. Again, super colorful card backs. The Mystery Machine is classic. You guys have seen this a couple of times. But always popular, always sought after Mystery Machine. And that wraps it up for Case P. That was all 10 cars. We're going to do a top-down view of this case. You know what? We're going to do it. We're going to give one set away right here to a subscriber. And we're going to give the other set away to a commenter. So subscribe and comment, guys. We're going to start it back up. I started a little bit with the Desert Rally, but I'm not sure that I realized that I was going to do a whole nother run for the third run. We're going to do it. Hope you guys are having fun collecting with us. It's Wheel Collectors signing off.